In this video, I'm sharing Happy Planner goodies, stickers from Rongrong, stickers from the Happy Planner, simply gilded washi tape, and a pretty sparkly pen from Beautifful. Hello, I'm Katie, your teacher from the Planner School. I had purchased this whole collection to create a project, which I will be sharing soon. I'm going to make a birthday book, and I'm going to use this big Happy Notes, which I purchased from JoAnn. This is the Stargazer collection, that's from Stargazer collection, and this is from Stargazer collection from the Happy Planner. This came from Michael's, these two came from JoAnn, and then I also purchased this Zodiac sticker book from Rongrong, a matching Celestial 2.0 pen from Beautifful, which matches perfectly, and some Celestial Zodiac washi tape from Simply Gilded. I'll be sharing full details about setting up the birthday book in a separate video, but I just wanted to kind of like just share what I got because I just want to open it and it's so cute. So this is the big Happy Notes. It has dotted lined paper. It's a regular sheet of paper size, and I wanted that big size because I wanted to have enough space to add some folders so that I could actually put gift cards in this notebook for sending out happy mail and birthday cards and that kind of thing. So let's look through this really quick. Look how pretty all the stars and just that color palette of that blue and purple is just so pretty. So I wanted to get that. Also, my preference is for lined paper, and this will be perfect for making my list of birthdays. Like I said, I'll share all of that in another video, but that's why I purchased this. The Stargazer Happy Planner, it's a classic Happy Planner. I got this one for a personal journal. So I'll be putting like my own personal things in here. But again, I just love this color palette. This one is a vertical layout, the 3 boxes like this. It has decorations on the page. It's like a little more colorful than the neutral one, which I like the colorful one for decorating. This one I'll just be writing in. So, but ooh, so pretty. And then of course, when you get that stuff, you know, you got to get the matching stickers. So we'll flip through that very quickly as well. I just want to flip through look how pretty. Oh my gosh, it's just gorgeous. Like I needed another planner. Anybody else in that, just one more planner boat with me? I'm going to use it. It'll totally be used. It's not wasted. But do I really need another planner? Okay, let's do just a quick flip through of the Stargazer sticker book. It's not exactly new anymore, so I think there's lots of flip throughs of the sticker book out in the world. I really like these foil stickers that are in the back. So that's probably one of my, you know, but I have to get the sticker book that matches the planner so that you can put stickers on your page that match the pages. I love the foil. I like the stars because I like that decorative stuff. And then it has quotes on it. See, like journaling, self-care, relax. And that's kind of the stuff that I'm going to put in this planner. So that works perfectly. Read, lounge. And then the color palette is very pretty. So it has some functional stickers, some decorative stickers. I like the kind of sticker books that have everything. And it looks like this one does. So it has boxes, it has foil, it has functional, it has decorative. And it's all in that pretty color palette of blue, green, and purple. So pretty, and teal. Next up is Rongrong Zodiac Planner Sticker Pack. This one has been out for a while, but once I decided that I wanted to do that birthday book in the Stargazer theme, I wanted to get these Zodiac pictures for decorating the pages for all the lists of birthdays, because I'm going to make the list by Zodiac sign. I just thought it would be fun. So it would be like Aries birthdays, etc. So that'll be really fun to set up. So let's just flip through this very quickly. Each page is themed for the Zodiac sign. I just thought it was cute. It has the girls. I love that it's all different colors. Yeah, I think it'll be super fun to use that theme for my birthday book. Love, love, love. It's just so cute. So that I think is still available from Rongrong. Links to everything will be in the description box and like description so you know what I'm sharing here. Here is the Beautifful pen. I have started collecting these because my friend Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff got me started on these pens. Look how gorgeous they are. Beautifful makes these pens that are sparkly, glittery, and they have different crystals on the inside and different paint, and they write very, very nicely too, like a fine point black gel pen. They're just so, so pretty. So when I just noticed that this Celestial 2.0 came out and it matches this stuff perfectly, come on, right? We have to have a matching pen to our planner. Last but not least, Simply Gilded washi tape. I'm addicted. Simply Gilded's just really cute designs, foiled washi tape. And again, when I decided on the Stargazer theme and I found out that there was Simply Gilded washi tape that matches, I had to have it. And then this design with the constellations on it comes in 3 different colors. So I needed all 3, right? Yes. So I got all 3 of the constellation washi tapes from Simply Gilded. So cute. So, so pretty. All right, and then this is another super fun thing from Simply Gilded. Irene has a mystery washi tape option sometimes, and she does right now, where you can just choose mystery washi tape and you just never know what she's going to send. So I ordered a few mystery washi tapes. Look how cute they are. I'm so excited. This one is gorgeous. I love the sparkles, obviously. I love foil, blue foil. I didn't have any of these in my collection, so it's all new things to add. This one has like a snowflake motif kind of design. Sparkles, stardust, she calls that, I think. And then these little holographic, black and white, that goes with everything. Look at the little pink Christmas trees. Oh my gosh, I love. And then of course, blue foil. Can't go wrong with that. Sometimes Irene sends little like freebies with her stuff too. And actually so did my Beautifful order. Came with this little mini sticker pack. I got 2 little journal cards with the Simply Gilded order. Oh my gosh, it came with stickers too. I love when freebies come with it. So cute. So a little Simply Gilded seagulls. I love the bow seals. Dragonfly, that was kind of on my wish list. I really like the dragonfly washi tape. And then look at these ice creams for summer. Ah, they're so cute. I hope you enjoyed my little planner haul. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed. Stay tuned to watch the birthday book coming up. Again, check the description box for details on these products. Message me, leave a comment if you have any questions about anything, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!